In this video, I'll be explaining a few very important things you need to know about crypto trading bot that no one's talking about. And of course, I'll show you the exciting result from my crypto trading bot that has been running for 229 days and a total of 16,198 sell transaction. That is over 70 sell transaction in just 24 hours. So from the result, I will be explaining if crypto trading bot is a good strategy to earn passive income, and as well as compare my trading bot result to just holding crypto for 229 days, and so we can see if we're better off just holding crypto or invest into crypto trading bot. So please continue watching and don't forget to press like and subscribe this channel. First, I'll briefly explain what is crypto trading bot. Crypto trading bot is a software program that is automated crypto buying and selling trades according to the setting. So basically, you set up the program and the program will buy and sell 24 hours, 7 days a week. But there are 5 different types of crypto trading bots. So I will show you all 5 crypto trading bots. The first one is spot grid trading bot. This bot buy when the crypto price goes down and then sell when the crypto price goes up. But you need to set minimum price and the maximum price. So if you are planning to hold this crypto for long term, the crypto price could go above the maximum setting and you could lose out on the profit gain. This spot is not going to work for long term, so we'll move on. The next one is future grid bot. Future grid bot place order similar to spot grid bot, but allow you to use leverage and also long or short. This bot is very risky and it's a quick way to lose all your money. So if you don't know what you're doing, don't mess with it and don't use future grid bot unless you are already an expert. Next one is smart rebalance. This bot just rebalance and keep the same percentage portion of the crypto as per your setting. So it doesn't look like it can generate any passive income. So we'll move on to the next one. And the next one is DCA. It's a dollar cost average. So instead of you buying manually, weekly or monthly or daily, you just set this robot up and then it will just buy it automatically for you as per your setting. The last one is Infinity Grid Trading Bot. This bot is similar to Spot Grid Trading Bot. It buys when the crypto price goes down and then sell when the price goes up. But the difference is this bot only have minimum price that you have to set. It doesn't have a maximum price limit. If crypto price goes up 50 or 100%, this bot will just keep going. And we are not going to miss out on the profit gain from this price increase. And this is a bot that I've invested in for 229 days. From this 5 trading bot, the only bot I think that can generate income and that can run for long term is Infinity Grid Trading Bot. I'll explain a bit more about Infinity Grid Trading Bot. And the Infinity Grid Trading Bot that I use is on KuCoin. So if you don't have KuCoin account, you can go register. It's easy, it doesn't take that long. I'll put KuCoin link in the description of this video. Okay, so let's open up KuCoin. And when you open KuCoin, you get to this KuCoin homepage. From this homepage, click on to Trading Bot. And then click on to Infinity Grid. As you can see, it's very easy to set up Infinity Grid Trading Bot. All you need is minimum price and profit rate per grid. If you want more details on how to set up Infinity Grid Trading Bot, you can watch my other video, Crypto Trading Bot Tutorial. I'll put the link in the description of this video. After you start your trading bot, it will show up on this page. On this page, on the top, you'll see how long this bot has been running. And then next one is arbitrage. It's the number of bot sell transaction. And then next one is investment amount. So this is how much you've invested in. And then total profit. Total profit is the investment amount plus a grid profit plus unrealized profit altogether. That's the total profit. And then grid profit. Grid profit is the profit that you receive from completed bot sell transaction. So only the sell transaction after deducting the fees. So this one doesn't include the fees. And then next one is unrealized profit and loss. So this is the bot profit and loss, not including the grid profit. So next one is grid APR. Grid APR is just a profit percent yearly, and it's just a profit from only the sell transaction. And then next one is the current price and the entry price. And then APR is overall profit percent yearly. Next, I'll be explaining two very important things you need to know about Infinity Grid Trading Bot that no one is talking about. After doing deep dive research into Infinity Grid Trading Bot during this 229 days, this is what I've learned. First one is profit rate per grid. So when you first set up Infinity Grid Trading Bot, you can select profit rate per grid between 0.2% to 10%. And this is what you need to know. Infinity Grid Trading Bot buy when the price go down and then sell when the crypto price go up. So which means you will always make profit for every bot sell transaction. So how can we make more profit with this crypto trading bot? It's very simple. We just make more bot sell transaction. The more bot sell transaction means more profit. So this is what normal person like me or you would think. So to get more bot sell transactions, we need to reduce profit rate per grid. Because smaller the profit rates mean, smaller gap between bot buy orders and the sell orders. And a little bit of volatility in the crypto price will trigger the bot buy and sell orders. Like this. So at the beginning, I set my Infinity Grid Trading Bot profit rate per grid at 0.3%, thinking my bot will make a lot of sell transaction and I will be making tons of profit. But I was totally wrong. I'll show you why. This is what I've learned from my deep dive into Infinity Grid Trading Bot. So this was at 0.3% profit rate per grid. So this is the actual sell transaction from my bot. So grid profit at 0.01058, and as you can see, sell fees 0.00340,869, and buy fees at 0.00339479. Total fees combined was 0.0068. And when I work it out, just the fees alone was 39.12%. So, which means every $1 I made, I was adding 0.64 cents to my unrealized profit and loss. So yes, all bot transaction fees goes into unrealized profit and loss in negative. And when I found out that I was paying nearly 40% in transaction fees, I quickly changed my profit rate per grid to 0.6%. As you can see, grid profit increased to around 1.5 cents per sell transaction. But when I checked the fees, sell fees and buy fees combined together, it was around 0.00822 cents. That was still 34.93%. And it was still quite high. So after that, I changed profit rate per grid to 1%. At 1%, as you can see, the grid profit was around 2.99 cents. So it's almost double. And when I look at the fees, the total fees, sell fees and buy fees, it was around 0.0048 cents. So that's around 13.8% in fees, and the total profit was around 86.2%. Now with 1% profit rate per grid, every time I made $1 in grid profit, I was only paying around 16 cents in fees. So I suggest profit rate per grid for Infinity Grid Trading Bot should be at least 1% minimum. You might make less sell transaction, but you are actually making more profit. Another important thing you need to know about Infinity Grid Trading Bot is the fixed dollar value of the crypto coin pair. What I mean by that is, when you select Bitcoin and USDT, Bitcoin dollar value is fixed. I'll show you some example. Let's say I invested $1,000 into BTC and USDT pair. From my $1,000 investment into Infinity Grid Trading Bot, the bot will buy, let's say, 70% BTC and 30% USDT, which is $700 BTC and $300 USDT. BTC price at $23,000 now. I'll have 0.0304 Bitcoin and $300 USDT in my Infinity Grid Trading Bot. When the Bitcoin price goes up, bot will sell Bitcoin to USDT and keeping BTC value at $700 the same. Let's say Bitcoin price goes up 100% to $46,000. Bot will sell more Bitcoin and keeping Bitcoin at the same dollar value at $700. And the rest will be USDT coin. After looking into all this, I think the best crypto pair to use for Infinity Grid Trading Bot is 2 crypto coin pair with Bitcoin. And this is not a financial advice, so you should do your own research before investing into Infinity Grid Trading Bot. For example, Phantom and Bitcoin pair. If Bitcoin price goes up, most likely Phantom and other altcoin price will also go up. So compare that to USDT pair, where you only have one coin price goes up. In this case, you'll have 2 coin price going up. So which means you'll make more profit down the track. So now I'll show you the exciting result from my investment into Infinity Grid Trading Bot for 229 days. Before I show you the final result, let's start with the progress along the way. So this was at 156 days. As you guys know, crypto market went down last year in 2022. So most of the crypto coin price went down, as well as CRBT coin that I've invested in. So my total profit at 156 days was minus $212. And grid profit at 37.96%. At 163 days, total profit was still in negative at $238.81. And at that time, grid APR was at 54.75%. So crypto price, CRPT price gone up and down. But my unrealized profit and loss still in negative at $383.85. After that, I've changed the profit rate from 0.6% to 1%. Now at 229 days, total profit at $28. So that seems like it's not much, but grid profit at $409.73. And unrealized profit and loss at minus $381.72. And grid APR, which is just the profit made from the grid sell transaction, is at 110% and 110.23%. Now CRPT coin price at 19.423 cents, which is still less than price of CRPT when I first started at 21.1 cents, down 8 to 9%. But my Infinity bot is in profit at $28. So I'm quite happy with the result. Now I'm going to answer this question. Is Infinity Trading Bot a good strategy for generating passive income? To answer this question, let's look into the actual income generated from my Infinity Trading Bot. After looking into more details, unfortunately, it's very hard to work out exactly how much income the bot had generated, because it only shows grid profit total of $409.73, and that grid profit is not including fees. And during this 229 days, I've changed profit rate from 0.3% to 0.6% and then to 1%. And that changed amount of fees per transaction. But to get some sort of an idea, let's say we average the fees to 35%, and total fee would be around $163.60. And the total grid profit, 409 minus the fees, 163.60, is equal to 245.40 cents in total profit. And I didn't have to actively involve in generating this profit income. So the answer is yes, Infinity Trading Bot is a good strategy for generating passive income. But again, you must do your own research. This is not a financial advice. Now let's compare my 229 days Infinity Trading Bot result to just holding the same crypto coin for 229 days. So we can see if we are better off just holding crypto coin. To compare that, let's look at the result from my Infinity Trading Bot now. Initial investment was at $586.47, and as you can see, we have profit $28, so which is the total value now is at $614.47. Now we look at just holding CRPT coin for 229 days. So 229 days ago, price of CRPT coin was around 21 cents. Here, entry price. So if I bought all CRPT coin back then, with the same amount of money that I've invested into Infinity Trading Bot, which was $586.47, I would have had 2,769.24 CRPT coin in my account. 229 days later, if I just hold CRPT coin, I should still have the same amount. So now the price is at around 19 cents. The total value now will be $537.87. Compare that to Infinity Trading Bot total value of $614.47. The winner is Infinity Trading Bot. Now the biggest question is, would I recommend people to go and invest into Infinity Trading Bot to generate passive income? And my answer is yes and no. I hate saying this, but it truly depends on your final goal. If you want to keep specific amount of crypto coin for long term, I would say no. But if you are planning to hold Bitcoin and other altcoin for long term, and you are not fixed with the total amount of crypto coin that you hold at the end, I would say yes. That's all for today, guys. My name is Wayne. I hope that you guys were able to learn something valuable from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Before you guys leave, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.